Okay, we have a Freightliner 2017 losing power in both engine ions is on, so we gotta use it inside. It's a Cummins engine to diagnostic this shock. So I got in my Cummins. Let me see. Okay, I got it, the software on already, so we're just gonna connect and we're gonna see what code we have, and from there we're gonna diagnostic this truck. Tenemos un Freightliner 2017 y vamos a usar el Insight para diagnosticar y vamos a ver qué códigos tiene antes de decidir cualquier cosa. So, si en dado caso tiene unos check engine light así, primero hay que saber los códigos antes de empezar a adivinar. So before we diagnostic, we gotta find out what code we have before start guessing. Okay, now we get in, disconnect. We're gonna go okay. Of course, we create the imaging.
We check today's brain buster. It sounds like this.
Okay, so now we got a code for VGT October driver secret, variable geometric turbocharger software, engine protection top. So we know why the reason why the truck is losing power and no power. The truck has no power and got a both engine light on. So tenemos los códigos aquí, tenemos problemas con el turbo, obviamente puede ser el actuador o el turbo jodido, o puede ser las dos piezas. Sabemos que tiene las dos luces de check engine light prendido. Para estar más seguro, para ver qué códigos mismo tienen, es importante tener los softwares para poder saber qué códigos son. It's easy to find out the troubleshooting on this. I do double click left. You see? Okay, see type of engine is IX, CML, IS9. Let's choose the other one. Let me see this one.
A couple of years ago, I think he was assigned Midtown South, and they handle all the security for Good Morning America. And she appeared on Good Morning America and saw that guy.
Okay, right here they tell you what exactly can be the problem. At least help you this troubleshooting, but the other part, like this one, let me see this one.
I often wonder.
If you go through here, they tell you step by step what you have to do. Of course, you have to check for calibration, things like that. Cables. Tell you.
He's got a kind of an interesting background because
see, lost communication support, VGT, possible reduce engine performance.
At the time,
see, you gotta check, of course, the wires.
Just broken up with him because he had also just had a baby a couple of days before he met Miranda.
So right here, condition clearance sport code, variable paper home, show to listen and receiving to recharge to the internet message from. Okay, see, that's the problem. This box can indicate that it's him down receiving turbocharge. Okay, so we know it's we gotta go. I don't want to follow on this one, this troubleshooting, because first thing I gotta check it. If we got empowered signal computer to the VGT, if we got in signal, so that means I have to remove the VGT controller and then inspect the turbo. If the turbo is okay, I will change just the VGT controller. So en este caso ya ustedes vieron cómo seguir los pasos para hacer el diagnóstico de los códigos. Yo lo que chequeo aquí es, obviamente, chequeo el turbo si tiene power ground, señal de la computadora, y si tiene eso, pues yo remuevo el VGT controller y chequeo el turbo a ver si está bueno. Si no está bien, pues cambio las dos piezas. Vamos a ver la cablería primero. Of course, right here it's as a turbo right there in the back. You see, I'm checking at least like visual inspection first before I decide to do. All the wires. goes all the way down. So I'm following the wires from the turbo, inspecting, visual inspection. So I see the wires right here, you see the wires right here. So I'm just gonna uncover the tape and inspect it. Maybe it's not touching ground or wires broke. So that's the visual inspection first. Then I will check the plug if it got a power and ground signal. If it has it, then I'm gonna remove the VGT controller. Okay. So lo principal que hay que chequear es visualmente a ver si la cablería no está jodida, y obviamente hay que ir al plug del turbo a ver si tiene señal y ground, y de ahí pues empezar a desarmar el VGT a ver si el turbo está bueno. Si el turbo está bueno, pues el VGT controller nada más. Nos vemos en el próximo video. See you next video.